my channel, Inspired Birdie. So finally I got myself out to Dollar Tree, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do today, is a Dollar Tree haul. So I've been doing so many Dollarama hauls lately, but today it is all about Dollar Tree. And here's a little glimpse of all the items that I got. I definitely went there to check out their Halloween. Today is October 3rd. And it's funny because they were just starting to put their Halloween out. So I don't know. I think here in Canada, we get items put out a lot slower than what you would see in the US. So I grabbed what I was able to find, but yeah, they were only like maybe halfway through putting out their Halloween items. However, they did have a full aisle of Christmas. So, but don't worry, no Christmas yet. All right, so I'm going to jump into the Halloween items. So first I'm just going to jump into this egg timer. This is just a total random buy. I needed an egg timer and they were $10 on Amazon. So grabbed that. That was definitely a good buy. I only got a few kids items. So I grabbed this Barbie dress. I thought this was a really great deal. Really cute fashion Barbie dress. If there's anybody out there that has kids or you're looking for Barbie clothes, they're super expensive. So this was a really, really great deal. You get the accessory, the dress, and the shoes. And then I picked up this. I thought this would be a lot of fun to use for like some kind of, I don't know. I do like hunt and find like little treasures in like kinetic sand and stuff like that, and I like to put little surprises in there, and I thought this would be a really nice one. They look really good quality, like they look pretty sturdy, and you get the two of them. So it was the last one, so I grabbed that as well. And then the last two kids items are this sticker set. I buy these every year. This is a new one. I picked up these two. So these two are new. They're really cool. They're create a scene. So it comes with a board, and then it has all these reusable stickers for your kids. So they can make a scene over and over and over again. So lots of fun, keeps them busy. And then the last is this Cars placemat. So this was in the kitchen area. They had a few different ones to choose from. I think they had Spider-Man as well, but my kid loves Cars, so picked up this food placemat. All right, so just continuing along here, and sorry, you might hear my dog snoring in the background. I've hauled these before. These are the in the bath section. These are just hand towels, so soak your troubles away. I purchased these before for a bathroom like remodel that I did for a decor piece, and absolutely love them. So I actually picked up two more because I ended up using them. So I grabbed two more to have on hand. Very random items, just a clean brush. I always buy these all the time. Now these guys, if you watch my hauls, I hauled these exact same gloves from Dollarama a week or two ago. I don't remember the price, but I think that they were like at least $2. So found the exact same gloves at the Dollar Tree. So I grabbed another pair. This was an exciting, like, complete random find. I just happened to find this in the floral section. I think somebody just kind of crammed it, like threw it back there and decided they didn't want it. So I picked it up. It was the only one that I saw. Really good piece of wood, and I loved it. I thought that it would be really nice. Like, it has that farmhouse look to it, made of the wood. It has the writing, it has the galvanized here, the metal details. I thought that was really cool. This is another random buy. I just found this in their like plate and cutlery section. I'm actually going to DIY this mug. I really liked the plaid pattern, so I'm going to use it to DIY with some vinyl stickers that I have, and you know, customize it to make it something a little bit more for what I was looking for. Okay, so let's jump into Halloween. So here's the first decor item. I thought this guy was super cute. They had also a witch and they had a cat, but I thought this was the cutest, the most Halloween-like, and I just really, really liked it, so I grabbed that item. How adorable is this? It's like a little beanbag. I thought this was so cute. And they had like weird faces. I don't even know what they were. And a cat. I didn't get those ones because they just didn't look as, like, the quality didn't look very good. This one actually looked like, you know, it was pretty good quality. So grab that little guy. And then this cat, it's just made of felt, but I will probably put it on top of like I don't know, maybe like a wood sign or something. They had tons of signs, and believe it or not, I actually didn't get any signs because I never end up using them. So didn't get any signs, but they had a lot of nice signs. But I might put this one on a sign. I really, really liked this cat. It goes with my style. My style is all like cats and pumpkins and skulls and ghosts. I mean, isn't that mostly Halloween? I don't know what other style there is, but I really thought this was cute. It's quite large. Now, my absolute favorite find are these guys here, and I got the last of them. What? I don't know. Maybe I'm like late to the Dollar Tree because I haven't been in a while, but these are super beautiful. And they're quite large. Like, these aren't small. So I got the last two purple. They also had them in like a really dark brown and a really beautiful dark red. But my Halloween colors are purple and black. Look at that. And of course, I also grabbed the black. This was the last black. I got two of them, the last two. How pretty are those? What? Super, like, I was so stoked when I saw this. Really, really, really pretty. Yeah. Anyways, that is it. I did not go overboard. My bill was like only $25. I was like, what? That's a pretty good bill. It's usually like closer to 50. So really excited about all those items. And that was it, guys. Sorry, it's a really small haul. I might try to go again when they actually get their items out, but I feel like they're getting them out really late this year. So I may take a peek again next weekend, but that is it for now. Thank you so much for dropping by, guys. Love and peace to you all, and I hope that you're having a really great fall. Bye.